I am attempting to make a iced cappuccino for the first time. I already put my ice in here, which is more than it called for. I think it calls for like 4 to 6 cubes or something like that. But this is my favorite cappuccino. I've never done an iced cappuccino, so I'm going to try that now. It calls for 8 fluid ounces of water, but I'm using 16 to do 2 cups. I used cold water from the fridge, so now I just have to add, let's see if I could do it, 2 tablespoons. Well, actually, since I'm doing more than 1 cup. Oh my god, you guys, look. Disaster. That's what I get for trying to do this with one hand, but I'm going to do double the amount since I'm making extra. Okay, and I gotta pour in my water. My ice is already melting, but I have more just in case. Okay, so the ice, the cappuccino, the water, and I believe that's it. I did put like a teaspoon of sugar in it because I like sugar in mine. I also like what is it? Oh my gosh. Having a brain freeze. What is it called that I like? Creamer. So I'm going to add a little bit of that in there too. So, okay, let's see. What do I want to do here? Ice Crush. Maybe I'll try Ice Crush. I don't know if I'm going to be able to record this, y'all. Holding y'all. Let's see if I can. Okay, all done blending. I don't know if y'all can kind of see what it looks like. It's icy there at the top, which is perfect because that's how I like it. I'm gonna pour it and see how this tastes. Oh, here's the end results, and I gave it a taste and it actually turned out pretty good. I am proud of myself. My first iced cappuccino. Yum yum. Y'all have tried this, try it. It's really good. Hills Brothers cappuccino and French vanilla. And I read how to make the iced cappuccino out of this online on their website. I think it was like hillsbrothers.com or something. So yeah, that's it, y'all.